Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Eva from Noshki's Nails. So I have more nail mail this week. This one is from Beauty Big Bang, and I got more than I expected. I thought I was just gonna get a beauty kit, which is in this box, but they also included 5 stamping plates, and they're so adorable. I will show you close-ups shortly, but just to let you know, Beauty Big Bang is a warehouse out in China. You can order from them at any time, and they will usually deliver stuff within 3-week period. If you plan on ordering, visit their website. It's www.beautybigbang.com. Here's a website right here. They also have an Instagram page and also Facebook. You can follow them on that. And you can tag them at Beauty Big Bangs. Use the hashtag Beauty Big Bang if you ever want to share anything that you end up buying. Say you do a manicure or whatnot. You can also use my 10% discount code. It's D like David 710, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, I will double check, but I will link it below. And then we're gonna go ahead and start with the reviews. So, like I said, it's 5 stamping plates, and it starts off with plate number 018. That's the cover, and let me just grab it. This is, oops, I grabbed the wrong one. Here it is. Let me hold it so that it doesn't glare up. So that's it right there. You got some penguins and like polar bears. Really, really cute, right? So that's plate 018. And then the next one is 019. This is more for kittens or cats. As you can see, these are some beautiful images. I don't have anything like this. I will be stamping these on my nails so you would see how well they apply. So then we've got this one, plate 020. This is really pretty too. You can do some mandala designs on that. Mandala design, sorry. And then you got plate 021. This one's right here. A bunch of leaves, different style leaves. And then the last one is plate 022. That's the cover. This is more woodsy, I believe, or it looks like a bark. I'm not sure how else you would use the rest, but it doesn't matter, right? So the back of these covers, it gives you, or shows you, it illustrates how to use it, but it's pretty easy. The next item is this manicure kit, like I said. It's very pretty. Let me take it out of the box. And remove this. I love this. It's very well made, and the color is amazing. I've already got a manicure kit, but I wouldn't mind having a second one. I can actually keep this at work, because sometimes if I chip a nail or whatnot and I want to file my nail, I usually can't because I don't have anything. But these are the basic tools that comes in a manicure kit. You got the nippers and the cutters and scissors, some nail files here. Then you can also use to push back your cuticles, a tweezer, smaller sized hand clipper. But yeah, I don't have any use for it right now. I don't know if I could try to test these out for you guys, but you should definitely buy one if you don't have one. You can buy it and gift it also. You can use the 10% discount code on this as well. I will be listing the information down below in the description box if you guys need any order details. So